So one of the benefits of a unified system like Pelcro is that you will be able to use AI customer service that will actually be able to take actions on your behalf on the platform. So I will show you a little demo of how Pelcro AI customer service works, and I'll try to change some things about my customer profile that I have on screen here. So let me call them.
Welcome to Pelcro AI Customer Service. I'm Jessica. How can I help you today?
Hi, Jessica. I want to change my name on my subscription profile.
Okay, I can help you with that. First, I'll need to verify your account. What is your email address? Also, please make sure to spell it out for me.
Yes, my email address is natalia@pelcro.com. That's Natalia at pelcro.com.
Thank you for confirming your email, Natalia, at pelcro.com. Just to be sure, is that correct?
Yes.
Thank you. Please give me a moment while I retrieve your account information. Okay, Natalia, I have your account information here. I see the current name on the account is Natalia Smith. What name would you like to update it to?
I want to change my first name to Natasha, so Natasha Smith.
Sure, I can help you with that. Please, give me a moment while I update your name. Okay, I've updated your first name to Natasha. Can you confirm that the new name, Natasha Smith, is now reflected on your account?
Let me check. Yes.
Okay, please let me know when you've confirmed the change.
It is reflected. It is reflected, and actually, you know what? I want to cancel my subscription.
I understand that you'd like to cancel your subscription. I'm sorry to hear that. May I ask why you're canceling? Your feedback is important to us so we can improve our services.
It's just too expensive for me at the moment.
I understand. I can certainly help you with the cancellation process. But before we proceed, I'd like to offer you a discount of 20% on your next renewal. Would you like to consider this offer before canceling?
Actually, yes. If I can get a 20% off, I would like to keep my subscription.
Great. I'm happy to hear that. Let me apply that 20% discount for you. One moment while I process that. Great news, Natalia. I've successfully applied a 20% discount to your subscription. You don't have to do anything else. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you.
Happy I could help with your name change and apply the discount. Have a wonderful day.
Bye. So as you can see, my name has been changed as we already checked, and instead of canceling my subscription, I got a 20% off. So we can see if that is applied here. And as you can see on the pricing section, when I click view my subscription details, it will show that I have a coupon for 20% off.